If your wraps are boring, you're missing out. Let's fix that with a delicious chicken wrap. Fast, easy, irresistible. Here's what you need: cooked chicken, grated cheese, sliced tomato, chopped onion, and a tortilla wrap. Pile it high, fold it tight, and pop your delicious chicken wrap into the air fryer for 5 minutes. Out comes pure magic, a golden, melty, delicious chicken wrap. Subscribe for more great chicken wrap ideas. Serve it on a white plate with crisp lettuce and juicy tomatoes. Quick, easy, and oh so satisfying, a delicious chicken wrap you'll want every day. Subscribe for more great chicken wrap meals.